I'll show you the ribbon for this one that I want to do. But because it's like a country wreath, I don't want anything too girly, you know, or too frilly or curly or flouncy and like that. So we're going to do like a ribbon that's sort of, I'll show you. So what we do is you get like 3 contrasting ribbons, and then you're going to need to get a length that you're, wait, I'll get a length first. So I just chuck them out. So then say, well, even a bit shorter. Say if we wanted that long. So you get your length and then you cut off the roll. So what I would do is cut the whole roll up, so then you know. Okay. And then what you do is you lay them over each other and you sort of pinch the end. So you're making something like this. Okay. Then you get your wire. This is a really quick one. And then you just wire that off. But later on I'll show you how to make the really big curly bows and the swag bows and the bow tie bows. So you make as many as you can for the roll, but obviously you're going to have one there, one there, one there. And Avi, do you want to cut the ends for me? Thank you. And when we do the ends, you fold it in half. And you cut that way to make the point. So you just... Perfect, and then you get a point like that. And so because we're pleated, it sort of goes on a layer. So I know we're going to definitely get 5, right? No? So we're going to put 1 in the middle, but then I'll show you here. So then you wire that in quite deep. And this is a good way to use all your old ribbons and things, but obviously if they match the wreath. And then starting at the bottom, you just sort of squash it, sort of like that. You can also fold it a bit if you wanted to, like that. And see, because we've pleated it at the top, it'll go out. It's really easy. And that's it. And then we do another one, or as many as you can to fill up the wreath. Okay. And see, what I did was I sort of left it one lower, so they weren't all under each other. You know, you slid it down underneath, so you get like that. Then it will make it fold out. Okay.